You guys, it took me 4 months, September to December, to get 75 subscribers. And just 1 month to get 54 subscribers, and that was in January. Hi guys, welcome back to Tilt the Nations. If this is your first time here, my name is Ugunne Ann Ukonkwo. I am a Nigerian living in China right now, and on this channel I'm just sharing my journey, and I'm hoping that you guys will pick a few things that will inspire you to go turn the world around you the right side up. So in my last video I told you guys that this month I've dedicated the month of March to all things YouTube. Today, I'm sharing a few tips that I think will really help you to get your first 100 subscribers in 2020 a lot faster. This will be very, very useful for someone that is thinking about starting out on YouTube, or just, still playing with the idea of video content creation. So if you're that person, please watch this video to the end. I think that the things that I will share would really help you. The video that I put out last week will help you in this series. So start with that and then jump into this video, okay? The first and most important point in getting your first 100 subscribers, guys, is shameless promotion. I feel like screaming it from the rooftops. You guys, it took me 4 months, September to December, to get 75 subscribers. And just 1 month to get 54 subscribers, and that was in January. I'll put I'll put some pictures, some screenshots of the analytics for you. Shameless promotion is the key for success as a beginner YouTuber, because no one knows you. How did I know this? Okay, so in January, I think the first week of January, a fellow YouTuber did like a YouTube class that I signed up for. Yes, paid for that. And one of the major thing that I picked out from that class is shameless promotion. My son is here with me. Do you guys want to see my son? So I was talking about shameless promotion. See, this is how I see my content, right? I feel like my content is that great thing that you don't know you need. So honey, I'm going to knock at your door. I'm going to tell you to come over to my channel and watch and be blessed. Think about it. Like, it is so much work. YouTube is so much work. Editing, thumbnails, description box, tags, all this work, and nobody's watching. Hell no. So honey, you actually have to tell people about your content. Because I'm not yet that popular, I really have to tell my family members, my friends, my community on Instagram, the people that I can on Facebook, WhatsApp. Take advantage of all those platforms and share your message. Unless if you're ashamed of your content. And if you're ashamed of your content, honey, you shouldn't be here. Number 2, find and join other YouTube groups and communities around you. Guys, this is so important. It has helped me in my journey. You need to find YouTubers in your country or YouTubers in your niche if you already know that, and just join them, because this is where you start to build the community that you need. After I made this video, which you should watch, someone added me to the YouTubers in China WeChat group here. And trust me, it has been very, very useful, because these are other content creators that really understand what it takes to create content. So they would support you. Some of them actually even really genuinely like my content. So they leave comments. They are very supportive. We follow each other on Instagram. And yeah, I will not even lie. they've been very useful. And I'm just going to encourage you, if you're starting out, if you haven't gotten your first 100, 200 subscribers, this would definitely help. Which is why I'm working on starting a YouTube community that I call my 50K sub gang. This will be like a community of focused, goal-getting YouTubers that are very serious about YouTube and they mean business. So they are working hard, they are putting out content, and they are definitely gonna get 50,000 subscribers. That's why I called it the 50K subs gang. Hey, set our 50K gang. If you would like to join this group, I will leave the link in the description box. Put in your email. Guys, I'm really working. I feel so good about this. Like, I'm onto something. I'm really working on this group that is going to be fantastic. So I'll leave the link in the description box. And if you already follow me on Instagram, you will see the link in my bio. So of course, check that out. Set down. Number 3, try something new. With every video that you put out, make sure you're trying something new. There's so much, guys, so much to learn about YouTube. There is so much to just be creative with YouTube about. So with each video, if you're someone that have been following me for a little bit now, or if you watch my other videos, please watch my other videos. Guys, watch my other videos. If you watch my other videos, right, you will see that there's been growth. Like you guys, with every video that I put out, I try to make it better. I try to try something new. There are so many things to experiment with. The background, the thumbnails, your voice, editing. So every time you put out a new content, just try something new. Test and see what works, so that you will get better and better and grow quicker. Number 4, fix the basics. Honey, these are the basics when it comes to YouTube. Your description box, your titles, the tags on your videos, the thumbnails, your channel banner. This is the time to start fixing all those things. In your quest to get your first 100 subscribers, use this time to just make a good channel banner, figure out the thumbnail style that works for you, edit your pictures better, learn and make sure that you're putting tags on your videos, put title cards on your videos. What are title cards? Those things that you see at the top of the screen in most of the videos, suggesting other videos to watch. Those are cards. This is the time to fix those things. Your end screens, guys. I love the fact that there is so much to learn about YouTube. I actually started changing my end screens recently. If you watch my last 2 videos, you will see that my end screens are different. Try out different backgrounds for your videos. Like, this is just the time to experiment, right? These are basically the basics. Right now is the time to fix all those basic things with your channel. It will help you look more professional, look like you mean business, and definitely the subscribers will start coming in. Number 5, the last but surely not the least, is to ask for engagement. Guys, engagement is so important in the YouTube algorithm, so you need to ask people for engagement. And what is that? Engagement is leaving comments in the comment section. It is liking this video, is sharing the videos, because that's how people would see your content. So it's very, very important that you encourage people, that your viewers, your subscribers, to engage with you. Engagement also means replying every comment. As soon as people send comments on your channel, try as much as possible to reply. It helps the algorithm. And encourage people to do all of this stuff, because trust me, there are many people that don't know anything about YouTube. So showing them or telling them to do these things would help you with engagement in your channel. Which is why I ask you guys, share this video with someone that you know have been thinking about YouTube. a new YouTuber, a beginner YouTuber, an aspiring YouTuber would definitely find value in this video. So share this video with them, okay? If you enjoyed this video, if you found what I shared useful, do me the favor, like this video. Leave a comment in the comment section if you're finding this series interesting, or if you would like me to do more of this kind of videos. Let me know in the comment section so that I can, work on that. And of course, subscribe to my channel. My goal is 50,000 subscribers. And guys, I believe that with everything that I'm trying to do, and the grace of God, of course, that we're gonna get there, and I can't wait. So you guys, support your girl, okay? In my next video, I'll be talking about my YouTube hacks. So stay tuned to that. I'm so sure that it will help you, because these are things that I've picked up since I started this channel. I'll be posting that video next week, Saturday in the evening. So put on your notification bells if you haven't, so that you'll be notified as soon as I put out that video. I hope you find this video useful. If you did, you know what to do, right? That's the like button right there. Like this video, share it with someone, subscribe to my channel, and check out my other videos. I have very valuable content out here, so check them out. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.